Now everybody gonna be like, why should I even trust Ray? Is Ray even legit? Right here in front of you. As that shit refreshes, just look at that. That is in one day. That is 124,000 in a day for one of my clients. Now in today's video, I will be showing you guys the exact step-by-step on how to set up a password page the right way for your brand. So you can do what? Guess. Hype drops. A lot of people sit down, they're like, bro, I don't know how to set up a password page. Do I just open my website? What do I do? In this video, I'll cover literally everything when it comes to doing a hype drop and literally show you the step-by-step on how to set up your password page the right fucking way. So make sure you guys like, comment, and sub, and let's jump straight into it. So as y'all can see right here in front of you, I have the password page cooked up. So I'm gonna show you guys my thinking behind cooking up the password page first, and I'm gonna do it from scratch so you actually know how to make it step-by-step with nothing. So make sure you guys lock in. Now, hopping in fairly simple up here, it says enter using password. So whenever it comes to doing hype drops, I like focusing on doing early access first. So early access is at 2 p.m. and then open website is at 3. So early access allows us to build kind of like that good customer relationship where you give them some type of early access offer and they're like, oh shit, I fuck with this brand. And they're gonna come back and shop again because early access, of course, gets some type of perks. So you don't plan something else. You could do first 10 orders are free. You could do early access gets 10% off the whole collection. Your choice. You gotta think of some type of offer. Now, scrolling down, I like showcasing the collection right here. So what I ended up doing is I went on Adobe Express, cooked up a quick graphic, said capsule 2, put the logo here, showcase the whole collection, done. Copywriting, I use Claude and a little bit of my own brain to come up with this. So early access, limited spots, you already know. April 24th, 3 p.m. EST. Now, I could emphasize early access a little bit more, saying 2 p.m. EST, but the message will speak for itself. Capsule 2 drops soon, early access goes out first. And then first 10 orders are free. I have 2 buttons, by the way. I don't know if you can tell. This one's a little bit hidden, so if someone sees it, they see it. Both buttons lead to the same thing. So where I lead it is to Postscript. So what is the Postscript thing, you might ask? So when they click that, it'll automatically open their messages and they just have to click send and they're signed up to the actual list. Now scrolling down right here, I showcase all the collection items close up. So same thing, cooked that up in Adobe Express, and it was pretty simple, easy, straight to the point, really not much else to it. So let's actually jump into how I cooked this password page up from scratch and how you can actually grab the Postscript link too. All right, so I'm on a blank password page right now where I'm gonna show you guys the exact step-by-step on how to set this up. By the way, let me get rid of this, that's for the editor. Anyways, jumping into it, it says newsletter right here. This is the old password page, of course. Sold out orders are being processed and shipped. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna click add section. So I like setting it up with a slideshow. So I'm gonna delete everything right here, add a slideshow item, and first you do Command A. Let's get rid of all the text and just set up the basics. The basics are the easiest to set up. So see this slideshow right here, add section, it's called a rich text. That section right down there, and then I'll go slideshow again and I'll duplicate the slideshow and drag that down here. So let's drag there. Now you can add your image here showcasing your collection. So if I go on image right here, add capsule 2, boom. Now how do you fix this? So you click on slideshow right here, click on size and you click adapt and it'll adapt to the actual thing. Click save, and then same thing with this, same exact process, very easy, simple, straight to the point. So if I go image right here, I can just select the actual collection. So boom, it'll go there, that. And then what I teach you guys, you gotta adapt it. So if you go on slideshow, click adapt right here, boom. Remember, make sure you're always editing this in mobile and always click save after you make any type of change. Now scrolling down, this is where you start adding your copy. So compared to the copy I showed you before, pretty simple. So, you know what I'm saying? Put some type of brand value, brand mission up here. Put the drop date here. So let's say April 24th, 3 p.m. EST. Up here with the tagline. For example, his brand mission is for those who move in silence. And then right here, you can put some type of offer. So early access gets, you could do 30% off everything. And then for the actual CTA, now I'm gonna show you how to go into Postscript and grab the CTA, and a little perk I'll show you is how to actually edit the text. So when they sign up, it'll send them a customized text. A lot of people forget about that, but you should be doing that as well. So if I click on the button right here, you can do get access or early access, whatever you want to name it, personal preference. But let me show you guys how to grab the Postscript link for the sign up. All right, now I'm going to show you guys how to actually grab the Postscript link to set up the hype. Now, what you want to do is you want to hop into the Postscript app right here and just click login or create your account. Your account should already be made. This is on the basis that you already have it set up. So boom, you go on Postscript, you want to click acquisition right here. And then just off acquisition, you see list grow tools. Click on convert your email list, click one of the keywords, and then right here it says get link. Get that link, copy this, you can put it in your bio, you can literally put it in that password page, put it wherever. People just gotta tap it, they click send, and they're signed up to your list. Now, one thing people usually mess up, they don't edit the actual base text. Now you go on keywords right here. So this is the keyword I grabbed. So boom, you go on the keyword, you click the first reply. So this is what I put in. It's pretty simple. Locked in. You will get early access to Capsule 2. Be ready, first 10 orders get refunded. Appreciate you for tapping in, Who Casper. Pretty simple, straight to the point. You wanna add this as well, only send once per sub, only send to new subs as well, because you don't wanna waste money when it comes to, people that keep signing up and you're spending money on that as well. You don't want to do that. We're not doing all that. So set that up. This is pretty simple. Once you get the link to copy paste, I'll show you how to put it in the button. So go back here, go on online store. Let me click the duplicate right here. Go on password. And then I think I forgot to save my copywriting, which is fine. It's whatever. But click on button right here. Let's say I do early access. I'll do all caps. Early access, click the link right there, Control V, and then paste that. Simple, straight to the point, click save. So if they click this, guess what? It'll redirect them back to their phone where they gotta click send and they're signed up to your fucking list. Now some tips as well when it comes to running a hype drop. You wanna be posting organically, of course, and then you can hype alongside running ads when your website's closed. The goal is awareness and as many signups as possible. So keeping that in mind, one of the tips I could give you is running a giveaway post as you're starting to hype. Run a giveaway post, run that on ads. It's gonna go crazy and just have people reposting. That kind of just boosts engagement. It'll bring a lot more it'll bring a whole new audience of people that are like, oh, I want some free shit. Of course, a lot of them might not buy, but it's a good awareness post in a sense. So make sure you do a giveaway post. Now, when it comes to ads, if you do want my hype drop strategy, comment down below, get this video to 200 likes and I will drop it. 200 likes is fucking nothing. I know you guys could do that. So hype drop strategy dropping right after. I got you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You know what I'm saying? Show your boy some love and then Ray is out.